All right, good morning, students. We're going to take a look this morning and work on Noteflight. So go ahead and open up Noteflight. If you click on Untitled, because many of you all have completed all yours, so click on Untitled, and then when it pops up, you're going to hit Delete Changes, and that way it's going to give you a new score. All right, what we want to do today is, all right, what we started working on in class, and we're going to put notes / rest. So make sure you do that first. Don't do anything else until you get your title down. All right. Then you're going to put arrange by your name. So step one always is to put your title. Step two is always to put your who arranged your name on the music. All right. Step three is to click the bass clef. All right. So see where I have it. I'm going to click it and it's going to delete the whole, it's going to highlight the whole line. All right, then hit backspace. All right, do that again. So again, the only thing I got to do is I have to hit the bass clef, which is this line here, bass clef, treble clef. I hit the bass clef, hit the backspace, and it's gone. All right, so what I want to do is make sure, everybody look, when you come over here to your left, make sure that all of these are checked. And how do I check them? I just click the word. All right, and then when I click the word, my orange check comes up. So I want to make sure, look, all of these are checked. So make sure all of these are checked. And how you know they're checked is it comes to the top of your screen, okay? All right, you're going to need this, all right? So make sure that each one of these are checked. And the only thing you have to do is click on the word and it checks it, okay? So make sure each one of these are checked, okay? All right. So now, after we have that, then what we're going to do is click a whole note for the first measure. So I highlight it, and each one of these are measures. If I say click measure 4, this is measure 4. So each one of these are measures. All right. Measure 3, boom. Measure 1, boom. Measure 2, boom. Measure 4, boom. Everybody click measure 4, boom. All right. Only thing I got to do is put my cursor anywhere and everybody highlight measure 1, boom. All right. So everybody put a G. So I hit a G on my keyboard. All right. Now make it a whole note. All right. How does duration up there? Because all of these are highlighted. Please make sure all of those are highlighted. All right. So boom. So I have a whole note in the first measure. All right. See how I deleted that? So I just hit that again. So that's a whole note. So what I'm going to do is now hit Control L. On your keyboard, it is CTL, all right, L, Control, all right, Control L makes it right under it, all right. And so what we want to put is whole note, all right, whole note. Now, this is a rest, whole rest, okay. So then we come in the third measure, remember this third measure, all right, and we're going to put a G, and we want to make it a half note. So we want 2 G's. If that happens, hit the down arrow. So I want 2 G's, and I'm going to hit Control L, half note. All right. Everybody see that? So now what I want to do in the fourth measure, remember, click the fourth measure. Fourth measure is highlight, so then I come up here and hit the half rest. All right. If you notice, the half rest is above the line. The whole rest is under. Okay. So these are half rest for 2 beats. Okay. Now, everybody highlight the fourth measure. Boom. I highlight the fourth measure. Then I come up here to measure, and I make a total of 8 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want a total of 8 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's say, for example, I hit an extra measure. Only thing I got to do is hit the minus sign and it will delete it. All right, watch this, y'all. I click the first measure, then I hold down my shift key, click the next measure. All right, What I do then is I hit the enter sign. Wait a minute, Mr. Miller, what'd you do? Let's do it one more time. So remember, I highlight the first measure. Remember, this is measure 1. Highlight the first measure. All right. Hold down the shift key. All right. And then what I do is simply hit enter. All right. So now I have another line. So now I'm in measure 5. So I want to hit G, 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 G. All right. That is, all right. And so I want to hit Control L and write quarter note. Or we call them great. All right. And so in order for me to do what I'm doing, I have to make sure. All right. So now I'm here. Control L. I want great. Hit the space bar. That's remember. All right. So if I click this note, hit Control L to go to the next one, I just hit the space bar. And I want to hit woo. And we put this in parentheses because we don't play this. All right. Space bar. Great. Space bar. Woo. Got me? All right. Remember, if it ever adds a measure, the only thing I have to do is go up here and hit the minus sign. All right, so this is what I want you all to have done for today. So go in and make sure that you all paper look like mine, because when we come in on Thursday, I want you all's paper to look like this. Also, remember, tonight we have is Wednesday, December the 9th. We have a Zoom meeting with parents at 7 p.m. Look forward to seeing you then.